In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress chart in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and effective way to visualize completion status, and it works especially well for dashboards, reports, or project trackers. We'll be using a donut chart because it gives a clean circular progress indicator that's easy to read at a glance. To begin, go to the Insert tab in Excel. From there, click Insert Pie or Donut Chart, and then choose Donut. Once inserted, the chart will display a circle that represents two parts, the portion that's completed and the portion that remains. This makes it ideal for showing progress as a percentage, such as 75% complete and 25% remaining. If your data is already set up in the worksheet, the chart will reflect it right away. If not, make sure your completed and remaining values are available so the chart can display the full circle correctly. Next, let's add a percentage label so the chart is more informative. Click on the chart to select it, then click the plus icon, also known as the Chart Elements button. From there, check Data Labels. This adds text directly onto the chart. After that, format the label so it shows the percentage. This is important because it allows viewers to understand the exact progress value immediately without having to estimate it from the shape alone. Once formatted, your chart can clearly show something like 75% complete in the center area or on the chart itself, depending on your layout. Now let's make the chart dynamic so it updates automatically. Instead of typing both values manually every time, you only need to enter the completed percentage and let Excel calculate the remaining amount for you. This reduces mistakes and makes the chart much easier to maintain over time, especially if the progress value changes frequently. In cell B3, enter the formula equals 100 minus B2. This tells Excel to subtract the completed percentage from 100, giving you the remaining percentage automatically. So if B2 contains 75, B3 will return 25. Because the donut chart is linked to those cells, anytime you update the completed percentage in B2, the chart updates on its own. That means your progress chart stays accurate without any extra editing. And that's how to create a progress chart in Microsoft Excel using a donut chart, a percentage label, and a simple formula to keep everything dynamic.